Hello everyone, this is Esio here again from Ship to Nigeria, a service of African import and export solutions. So the last time I brought you good news regarding our export app, and I told you about how you can actually create your shipment and have it sent to anywhere in the world in just 5 minutes. Now I'm going to be explaining to you how you can make payments on the same platform. So after you have created your shipment wherever you are, from the comfort of your home or your office, and it's been dropped off, or you decided to walk in with the package physically, or you send someone to come pick it up from your address. Once the packager has verified that what you have brought inside the box is same with what you created, you'll be asked to go ahead to make payments. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. I will have to log into my account now, and I'm going to be using my valid email address. That's my registered email address to do so. Okay, so I have logged into my account. I'm about to make payment for my shipment. I'm so excited. All right, so I'm going to be clicking on shipments from my dashboard, and I'll click on view shipments. I need to view the shipment. All right, so I have my shipment here. It's actually the first one I have on this dashboard, and it's showing approved. So it's been verified and it's been approved. All I need to do is just go ahead and make payment. I'm going to click on pay. And of course, I'm going to choose my preferred shipping option. So I have the Air Express and I have the basic. Since I'll be going for the Air Express, it's already been selected automatically. If I want to change it, I can always click here on select to change. But like I said, I'll be going with the Air Express. So all I need to do is just click on select, because I want my shipment really fast, 3 to 5 business days. So once I click on select and it's selected, I would click on continue. Oh yes, now I have my cost breakdown on my dashboard. So I have my customer information, which I can click on to check just to be sure that is my own sender's information. And I have my receiver's information just to be sure that I have the correct information. This was what I filled in, and this is what I have on my dashboard. And then I have my warehouse information. Warehouse information actually shows what you selected on your delivery type. So I selected Yaba for it to be packaged in the Yaba office, and that's what I have on my dashboard. Please note that the cost you're seeing on your page right now, on your dashboard right now, is actually the total cost for your shipping. However, once you're moved to the checkout page, a little service charge is going to be added to it for you to go ahead and make payments. Now I'm going to click on make payments. Okay, so I'm on the Finca page right now, and I'm about to check out. I had 51,600 and something naira, but right now I'm having 51,923 naira. So I think about 300 naira was added to it as a service fee from Finca. Just in case you see any little extra charge, this is what it's for. So I'm going to go ahead to select. We have different payment method. We have the card payment method, we have the transfer, we have the pay attitude. So transfer, once you click on transfer, it gives you an account number where you can transfer to. Please ensure, I know some of us already still have our GT account number where you can easily transfer to. Please ensure that the transfer you're making, the account number where you're making your transfer to, has to be the account number that was generated for you by Finca on this particular page, your checkout page. It has to be that number. Kindly refrain from sending money to any other account or sending money to our former GT account. But right now, if I want to go with my pay attitude, I can always click on pay attitude and I use my card to make payment. But I'm just going to click on card and use the card to make payment instead of doing the transfer or selecting the pay attitude option. So I'll be putting in, I've selected card, and I'll be putting my information on my card. That's details of my card. And I'm being asked to put in my 4-digit card PIN. Oh, I have been sent an OTP. So all I need to do is go to my mobile phone, copy out the OTP, put it on this particular place where it's asked to be put in, which is what I'm doing right now. And then you go ahead and confirm the OTP. Please hold on for you to be redirected back to your merchant's page. That is the page you're coming from after payment has been made. So it's taking me back to my dashboard. Yes, and of course, now it's saying I have made my purchase, which is of course I have made my payment, and it's showing me on my dashboard that my payment has been successfully processed. So what I need to do now is click here to view my invoice, which is my tracking number. I am so excited. All right, I'm going to do the clicking now so I can see my tracking number. Wow, this is beautiful. I have my tracking number here, my Weebie number. So I can actually take this and track my shipments. All right, let me zoom in. I have my tracking number here. This is my Weebie. I'm not supposed to print it out, but at least I have my Weebie here, so I can just, pick that tracking and track it. So I know at every point in time where my shipment is before it's delivered to the receiver. And I can also send this same tracking number to the receiver to also track from their end as well. So like I said from the beginning, creating your shipment is really seamless. It is fast. It's like the new export app actually allows you to ship from anywhere in just 5 minutes, as I promised. And you can see I've taken you through the process, doing your KYC, creating a shipment, and also making payment for your shipment. Now, you don't have to come to our warehouse to do this. You can be anywhere, like I explained earlier, and create your shipment. If I intend to come drop off my shipment tomorrow, I can create my shipment this evening from my laptop, from my phone. I just settle in, create the shipment from the comfort of my home, and then I can come in, drop off, they verify whatever items I'm shipping, and then I go ahead and make payment for my shipment. You can also make payment from wherever you are. You actually don't come to the office to do that. Once we have verified your items, the packager has done their part, and the updater has confirmed every information you have imputed, get a notification letting you know that your shipment has been approved. So all you need to do is just log into your account, and then you make payments, like I said, from anywhere. It's simple, it's fast, and it's easy. And of course, you get your tracking number. So thank you guys for staying with me. I hope this has been a very wonderful experience for you, as it has been for me. Do take care. Bye.